para malaman natin kung ano yung areas na hindi pa natin napupuntahan. So, kaunti lang naman ang instruction na binigay ko sa grupo dahil maganda naman ang response natin. So far, sinabihan ko lang sila mag-focus lang ng mabuti doon sa mga areas na sa hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa natin may pasok. So, yun ang magiging next na priority na gagawin ng DSWD, pati na siyempre Public Works, because kung yung mga daan na landslide, kailangan magtulungan sila ng LGU para i-clear yung daan. The only other main issue was the suggestion that the entire Metro Manila will be put under a state of calamity. And this is because talaga hindi maganda ang flooding dito, ang nangyari dito sa Metro Manila. Especially in the traditional low-lying areas like Navotas, like in Malabon, these are all these places that mababa talaga sa dagat yan, kahit lagi nababaha. Nasira pa yung flood control natin dahil binangga ng barko. Kaya halos lahat ng bayan ay nakalubog sa tubig. So led by our DLD secretary, together with the Mayor Zamora, who is siyang namumuno ng buong Metro Manila Mayor, sila magpo-convince sila mamaya after this para makapag-decide kung talagang kailangan ba mag-state of calamity ang buong NCR.
Sir, hindi kayong mag-declare ng state of calamity?
No. We don't. Actually, usually, ang state of calamity is the LGU executive. Pag regional, it's because nagkasabay-sabay. Magiging calamity sa pagka 3 regions ang involved, then already the national has to come in. That's a national calamity already. Wala na kaming choice to pasok ng national. But it's up to the local communities to decide because they know best. They know best what they need. It is also yung pag-declare ng state of calamity, it's also to access funds para makapag-access sila ng funds. Kasi nauubos na yung kanilang emergency na reserve, upuha sila sa national. So that's what we're working on now.
So hindi mo pa kailangan ng Calabarzon, Regent Street, and Metro Manila, NCR na tatlo na po yun?
Well, kaya nga, nasa sa kanila yan. It is up to them. That is very much a local prerogative.
Sir, about the flood control project, kumusta po yung situation?
I don't think we can really talk about that now. What we need to talk about is how to bring help to the people who are in trouble.
So you have